All right, guys. All right, so let's introduce you to Crest commercial battery equipment. And guys, if you're new to the channel, hit the thumbs up. Let me introduce you. So guys, this is the Crest commercial battery unit right here. And this unit right here is, take this plug right here, I plug it into here. And I'll show you, give you a little example. So when I plug it into here, see right there, it's my battery. See right there how it turns green. Now, I got all the batteries already charged up. I'll do another video, but pretty much if the battery wasn't charged up, it'll turn yellow over here. And this is the unit that I keep at the house. Keep this battery charged because I'll tell you what this battery gets used for. So after you get your white battery charged up right here, what you do is you take it and you put it on this right here. This right here goes into your vehicle. So, as you can see, it's charged up, but if I needed to charge this, what I would do was hold this. This right here allows that to start, and it charges all these batteries right here for me whenever I need them. Charges in like 13 minutes, guys, which is amazing, and the power is there. I will do a video. I will show you guys how it actually works out in the field, but this unit right here has no cord on it. So a lot of people think this unit has a cord. It doesn't actually have a cord, and I'll show you. No cord, nowhere. You just stick this in the truck with you, and it goes, you can mount it or you can put it in the back seat, but it just goes right in the truck with you. No cord needed. This right here is what charges your batteries all day for this right here. So, see this unit right here, and I'll show you some more of this. Now, once you got this battery all right here, which is the Nano Pack 60V, once you got this right here charged up, ready to go, take it, you put it on your trimmer or your edger, or you can put it in the backpack blower. So this is the edger right here. This is the trimmer. I've used it, and guys, I'm telling you, the powers are, and this is the first time I had a battery trimmer that I felt comfortable with using in the field. And see, it's got the Darwins already on them. It's no gimmick. It really works for me, fellas. I've had it out here a couple times. I've used it, and I'm gonna get you guys some great reviews, but this Crest stuff is amazing. And I'll show you some more. So, this is your backpack blower right here from Kress. Got the battery charged up. See the unit right here? And this thing is nice. I have used it on leaves, and the battery does not go dead like that, guys. So, that's how you cut it on right there. It's your different speeds. I've been using it right here. I haven't had to cut it up nowhere past here. And this is during leaf time. So I hadn't had to go past that, guys. I bumped it up to 3 one day just cause to see. But I hadn't have to go by there. So, and I mean, this thing blows pretty dang nice. I love it so far. I have been using it, and I'm telling you, I do not see myself using gas next year on my handheld. Know it sounds crazy, but guys, I've been out with this now 3 days. I did not put any gas can on the truck, and I was getting through those days no problem. So this battery also right here can be put on the charger station that I'm talking about. I'll show you. All right, now this battery right here goes on this unit, which I said uses the plug. That unit right there, once those batteries are charged, they go in the truck with you. So say if you run out of this battery right here, you could just slap the white one on to get you through the rest of the day. But I don't see it running out, guys. Like I say, I'm doing it with leaves right now, and it's working. It's been getting me through the day. Now, I haven't been doing a lot of yards, but I'm doing leaves on a couple big yards, and I'm getting through it only blowing on notch 2 of the blower. So it's the plug-in unit. That's how you charge it up. Like I say, you get done, get your white one, slap it on her, take your little batteries, slap them on there. All right, now here is the commercial battery mower, and this thing looks anything but commercial. If you can see that. If you guys know how the Honda mowers were built, check this out. This is my old Honda. Things actually looks a little beefier than my Honda. So check them out. So now you got your controls up here. This right here get you started. That's your modes right there. So speed, well, it's not the speed, but that's the power of the cut right there. Cut it down. That's your walk speed. Start the blade. But you can't start the blade until you're holding. Hold on. Let's bring this more back a little bit. Can't start the blade till you hold down the red with the red. That makes the blade engage. So, and the thing actually pulls better than my Honda now. If you guys got the better model of the Honda gas, let me know. But I can't wait to use this thing. It's almost like a tank. Now I do have the grass catcher back there for it. And I'll show you how the battery goes in. That's where your battery goes right here. Slap it down in there. It's covered up the whole time you're mowing. And you get done, you charge it up. So